Y'all want to see something funny? Tell me why. After last week's tragic ass nail situation, I went and got my nails filled, and then I didn't film for 2 weeks, and then they all fell off. Hi, it's your girl, Dollface baby. Yeah, I'm everybody's fantasy. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in about 2.5 weeks, and I can explain myself while I moisturize my face because we're doing our makeup today. Feels good to be back in business. You know, I really missed filming. I missed talking to you guys. Y'all are my writer days. My hair looks a mess. Just ignore it. Yeah, pretty much my life's just a mess. I'm a senior and I'm failing math and my life's just a mess. Yeah, so what was I even gonna explain? Oh yeah, while I was gone. The first week, I didn't film anything because I just straight up didn't want to. Like, I was just really unmotivated, and if y'all watched last month's video, you would see that I talked about that a little bit and how I wasn't feeling like sitting in front of a camera and talking and acting like everything was all good and dandy and fine when it really wasn't. And then that passed. That just passed. I just got over it, sis. I'm gonna use some of the Tatcha water cream thing because I'm extra. I got over it, and then my phone broke and I could not get her fixed for like a week. Well, it took a while for the phone to ship to my casa. I didn't get my phone fixed. I got a new phone through insurance. It's the same phone that I had before, but like not broken. So yeah, we're back in business. In today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how to slay on Valentine's Day. If you're single, if you're taken, you know, it's just single. No one can handle all this. It's whatever though. I'm straight chilling. Also, this right here, funny story. It's a liquid lipstick stain because I washed like a wash of clothes or whatever, like a thing of clothes, like a basket full of clothes. We're priming. And silly old me had a liquid lipstick in my pocket of my jeans that I was washing and I didn't know. And the liquid lipstick exploded on all of the clothes that I was washing. While I was away, I figured out that I think I like doing my foundation and then my eyebrows, but I don't know. I feel like it's just gonna be like, my mother is calling. Hello?
Hey, I've been texting you all day. Have you not gotten my text messages?
I didn't take this phone to school. I took my new phone to school, so sis was a little angry. On God, that tastes disgusting. Treasure, why are you? Oh my God. That's why I fucking, my whole entire family, why do you always lock your door? Why are you always in your room with the door locked? Because y'all bitches don't know how to fucking knock. Point blank period. I'm gonna just mix these two foundations together. Too Faced and no, this isn't Maybelline. Milani, which I don't like this one, but this one doesn't, I don't know. I've been a full coverage queen lately. To be honest, I don't really know where I stand with YouTube because I don't know if I classify as a beauty guru or not. Like, I do tutorials, but I feel like when I think of a beauty guru, I think of someone that's like hella serious. Why do I look white? I'm not white. I'm brown. I would like the pigment to come back to me. When I get a new phone, which is gonna be in a few months for graduation, y'all best believe this quality is going to come through. I look disgusting. Y'all been posting fucking Valentine's Day videos since like January. Y'all need to relax. Pipe it down, a couple notches. We just need to relax. Okay, the foundation oxidized a little bit, so now we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna use Shape Tape in the shade Medium Honey. Bro, let me tell y'all why I think I'm a fake fan of Cage the Elephant. I'm like so obsessed with Cage the Elephant's music nowadays. Like, they're like someone that I listen to basically every time I'm depressed, which is like at least once a day. I thought that they were one of those bands that like made really good music but then broke up, like My Chemical Romance type shit, like One Direction type shit. Tell me why they just released a new song a week ago. My mind is blown. Do y'all know who My Life as Ava is? Because, dude, I freaking was obsessed with her videos yesterday. Like, just yesterday though. Just yesterday, I was just obsessed with their videos. I couldn't stop watching them. I couldn't specifically stop watching the ones with Brent in them, Brent Rivera. And y'all, they need to date. Like, Brava, hello, they need to date. Like, only real stans will know. But let's just play this song by Cage, because it's just
At McCormick, we're obsessed with
so good. God damn, a whole ass ad.
Trying to change it, almost dropped these matches. Never had
Right now I'm gonna set my face with the Born This Way powder by Too Faced. Also, if I sound, oh shoot, if I sound really gross, it's because someone got me sick. I don't know who. One of my friends though, they got me sick. Point blank period. It was either Haley, or I mean not Haley. It was either Vanessa or Angelica. I don't know which one of y'all triflers spread your disease to me, but now I am suffering. I like Team Multi. What am I saying? I do this every video. If you're new, you should know something about me. 1, I can't speak. 2, I curse a lot, too much. I'm gonna actually start bleeping it out because we want to be family friendly. Family friendly. Exactly my point. I cannot speak for the life of me. 3, I have like really ugly paintings on my wall. And it's like a thing. Sometimes, like, I'm really not that good at makeup. I just flex. Honestly, y'all, I just flex or whatever. I'm gonna start bronzing with the Tarte Hotel Heiress bronzer and this brush by Morph, which I feel is like kind of small for bronzing, but like I like this brush. I never used to be one to like contour my nose, but ever since Haley Morales, like I kept on watching her contour her nose, and I was like, that's a look, and I did it, and now I can't go back. Let's do some setting spray real quick. I'm gonna work on my eyebrows off camera, like I always do, because no one needs to see all that. I keep doing that. I keep opening my mouth. Like a damn bottom feeder. I don't understand people who don't use setting spray. Like, how do you just walk around feeling all powdery? No offense if you don't use setting spray, but like, I mean, y'all should invest. Y'all can get one of these for like $5. Hey y'all, we're back. We're back. I have hair in my mouth and I can't get it out. The brows look alright. I'm not like a specialist in brows. It's not my strongest suit. Sorry. If y'all want to see some bomb ass brows though, go check out Alania's channel. Alania Esquivel. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. Alania? I love you. Her channel will be linked down below. How about that? We're just gonna work on the eyes now. And then we'll come back to the face later. We still gotta do a few things. Gotta blush it up, highlight it up, lip it up. You know what I'm saying? But for eyeshadow primer, I'm actually gonna use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. It's a little yellow. But this as a base for eyeshadow is actually really good. Okay, ladies and gents. First thing I'm gonna do is pop into this pink. Oh my god. Let's just start dying. Yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna pack that in my crease. Sometimes I really be watching makeup tutorials bored as shit, and then I'll click off. I'm like, I don't want y'all to click off. I made this video for you. I want y'all to stay and watch it and like it and actually recreate it. Y'all need to, oh shit. I dipped into the wrong purple. Don't be a dumbass and dip into the plum purple like I just did. Anyway, we'll see what we can do to fix that. But for right now, I'm gonna go into this pink shade right here called Skip. I'm just gonna blend out some of the purple. Did y'all watch Shane's conspiracy theory video? That shit was so, it was a movie, but it was like, I couldn't stop watching. Like, it was scaring me and I couldn't stop watching. The whole face recognition thing is real freaking creepy. Y'all need to stop. Y'all need to stop. That's so creepy and too realistic for our own goods. Yeah, I'm not with it. Not today, Satan. Y'all, they added hairspray onto Netflix. I've never been happier in my life. Hairspray is like, literally, if you don't know what hairspray is, please stop what you're doing right now and go watch it on Netflix. Zac Efron is like my childhood crush. I literally am obsessed with him. I'm talking the 2007 version of Hairspray though, not that old Hairspray, like the 2007 Hairspray. Okay, well, it doesn't really look blended from y'all's perspective. That's because I added the purple on accident. Now I'm gonna go back in with this shade And I'm basically just gonna go back and forth until I fix it. Cause yeah, she's not looking the cutest right now. What should I put on my eyelid? Should I do like some glitter, like a glitter moment, or no? What we're gonna do is we're gonna take Skip. Just blend it on the outer corners. I think I'm gonna go into this Hooded Beauty palette because I'm literally at a loss of what to do. Ooh. Look at that shade. I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade right here. It doesn't have shading. It probably does, but like I'm not gonna be asked to fucking read y'all the shade name. Like, on God, who's really gonna create this? Oh wow, I really did something with that. That looks so good. Why am I switching mirrors like this shit don't got a mirror? The way it shine, I know you've seen it. I'm gonna go do the other half camera right quick. And they come unstuck. Okay, now I'm just gonna go with these two purples on the lower lash line, just blended. Now that we got that done, I'm just gonna do some of this shade right here in the inner corner. Do you guys remember when Valentine's Day you used to like give your classmates like cards and candy and stuff? I literally used to love going to school on Valentine's Day. It was like the best thing ever. Like, it was just so fun. Like, it was just so fun. And now it's like Valentine's Day ain't all that unless you're like booed up, which I haven't been for basically the last 17 years of my life. So let's do some blusher. Let's go in with the pinkiest one right here just because I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling it. And I can't believe, like, there's a point in time where I fucking hated blush. Like, blush is the best. It just does so much to a makeup look now. Like, I used to really not F with blush, and I used to never wear it, never buy it. I remember I bought like one. I think it's because I bought like one really bright blush. It was by e.l.f. It was like neon pink, and I really wore it to school. This was when I was like in middle school. Like, I grew up and then I saw pictures of myself wearing neon pink blush, and it kind of just scarred me for life. And I stopped wearing it. True story. Okay, I'm gonna use the Morph continuous setting spray. This stuff is so good. Cop it right now. Go on Ulta's website and cop this shit, because this is the best setting spray. The mister on it is just so... Yeah, beat it in again. Make her look skin-like. Oh my god, fun fact, this channel was like this close to being called J Glow. Horrendous. I feel like I should do a pink highlighter, but I'm not going to, because that's like, I don't want to. But this highlighter by ColourPop in the shade High Five is really good, and I would look cute with this, but like, I don't want to wear pink highlighter. I want to wear Champagne Pop, because I wore this again recently for the first time in like a long time, and then I was like, oh, I forgot that she pops off. What? Why? Anyways, guys, this was the completed look. Sorry I got a little offstandish throughout the last parts of the video. I just really wanted to stop doing my makeup. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more of me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all the goats. That's all I gotta say. Love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one.